Okay, and a start of first quarter. Ang Unicorn against... Hoy! Grabe si Justin Brindley. Roy Sumang. Pasok! Okay, kuha ni Lance. Hoy, kuha na agaw pa. Ayan na si Agbalo. Pass to Adriano. 2 puntos para ni Adriano, number 3. Ayun na, Donny Boy to Jurial. Jurial pass to Lance. Biyahe, pasok by Lance. Okay, toss shot by Toys. Pasok. Ayun na, Alex. Alex, pass to Donny Boy. Lover Boy. Uy, grabe yun. Foul basket tayo. Foul basket tayo, grabe. Tingnan natin. Pasok. Toings, ayan na. Pass to partner Thanos for 3. Yes sir. Ay, grabe yun. Grabe yun. 14, pass to Janjo Marodo. Janjo, pass to, oy, sino yun? To Janjo, pumukol ng 3. Pasok. Time out, i-basir mo. Basir. Villanueva. Oy, biyahe. Wala. Villanueva ulit. Pasok by Gerald. Moralida, pass to Ben. Ben dato was. Looks no more. Ayan na, Moralida ulit. Oy, nakadalawa ng pungkol si Moralida. Bakit pindutin ko lang tong yung apps? Okay, last throw by Rindon. Pasok! Ay, grabe yun! Ay, ang ganda! Ay, ito na kay Blackie. Blackie to Karotman. Ay, pasok by Karotman. Ayun na! Ayun na kay Padilla. Ruben! Ay, pasok by Ruben Padilla. Ayun, Toings. Pull up, no good. Rebound by Donny Boy, Lover Boy. Ayun kay Boy, Kevin. Pasok. Kevin, pasok by number 14. Nagano pa? Bakit kaya ito mapuputol? Ayan na. Ayun, Alex for 3. Yes sir. Grabe yun. Ito ba yung bagong phone mo? Ayun, Roy to Donny Boy. Sige. Agbalo, pass to Adriano. Pasok by Adriano. Oh. Ayun, Alex. Oy. Pasok by Alex. Ayun na. Anong set? Paupuin mo? Oy, pasok by Kevin Cosme. Oy, pasok by Kevin Cosme. Sit mo daw, Lex. Ayun na kay Lance. Lance, biyahe. Oy, ang ganda nung pagka-challenge, oh. Rebound by Roy Sumang. Ayun kay Kevin Cosme. Wala, rebound Adriano. Adriano to Agbalo. Ayun na, biyahe na. Agbalo. Pasok. Jorial to Kevin. Kevin, biyahe. Pasok. Alex to Adriano. Adriano, biyahe. Pasok din. Salita, no? Oy, 3 na daw si Adriano. Pasok by Mr. Moralida, Janjo.
Warning for penalty. Second personal. 13 foul.
Karotman, pasok by Karotman. Mats, oh, ang ganda ng Mats. Mats na Mats. Ayun na, pumukol si Karotman. Pasok! Ayun na, Rindon. Oy! Oy! Wala! Rebound by Blackie. Nakuha ni Blackie. Ayun na. Nitibo. Ang Nitibo, oh. Foul si number 4. Foul si number 4. Oy, grabe. Akin na. Oy, pass to number 28. Dumiskarte. Pasok by 28. Bin. Okay, unang pagbubuslo ng senador. Oy, pasok. Okay, back to the ball game. Ayun na si partner Thanos. Partner Thanos, tira mo na dyan. Tira mo na yan. Oy, Blacky. Walang intro. Pasok by Blacky. Grabe yun. Ang daming pumalakpak. Mag-ano yan. Tingnan mo, pag pumasok, mag-ano yan. Too small sign. Yan ha. Oh. Oy, pasok. Too small. Ay, akala ko mag-too small. Pass to number 1 to partner Thanos to Blacky. Wala! Rebound ba? Ay, ganda nung pagkano ni Carrotman. Okay, last shot by Janjo Marodo. Pasok. Third quarter. Ayan na si Donny Boy, Lover Boy. Masok na. Okay, Kevin Cosme. Pasok. 2 puntos para ni Kevin Cosme. Ay, relax daw. Uy, nilinis ang buho. 24. Ayan, naagaw, mantika na. Mendoza. Pass to Donny Boy, the Lover Boy. Pasok by Lover Boy. 2 puntos by Lover Boy. Alex, kulang daw. Ano na, biyahe na to, Alex. Pasok by Alex. Pasok by Alex. Ayan na si Toings. Pass to Alex. Alex, pull up. No good. Rebound by Moralida. Ayon kay 04 to Moralida. Pull up. Yes, sir. Blacky to Toings. Pass to Alex. Pass to Brindley, foul, tinawagang foul. Boy, foul basket tayo. Pass to Justin Brindley. Pass to Toings. Pass to Alex. Alex, ayun na. Uy, ang ganda nung Justin Brindley for 3. Yes, sir. Grabe si Justin Brindley, oh. Adriano, pumukol na 3. Wala. Uy, kuha ni Justin Brindley. Uy, grabe yun. Uy, nagagawan pa kasi. Nagagawan pa kasi yung Black. Pasok. Alright, Lance. Pass to number 04. 04 to 14 to Roy Sumang. Pumukol ng 2. Pasok. Sumang, pumukol ng 2. Pasok. Alex, itinawid ang bola. Looking for number 8. Walang ibang ginagawa. Oy! Grabe yun! Pass to Alex. Pull up. Yes, sir! Ayan na. Ayan kay Adriano. To Toings. Pinasa to 31. Nagkabola. Ayan na, number 8. Pass to Adriano. Pasok by Adriano. Pasok by Donny Boy. Grabe, Gerard Anderson. Wala. Uy, grabe yun. Pasok. Pasok. Basket count tayo. Okay, number 3, Adriano. Pasok. Ayan na, Donny Boy. Pasok. Number 14, Gold Lance. Ayun kay Jurian. Wala. Grabe yun. Jing to Lance. Foul basket. Pasok by Mais. 2 shots by number 3 Adriano. Pasok by Mr. Adriano. Okay, Donny Boy, Lover Boy. Pasok. Okay, last throw by Lover Boy. Pasok.
No foul, no foul.
Alex, pull up. No good. Rebound by oy, Adik. Oy, nagaw. Oy, munti ka na. Good yun. Oy, ayan na si Kevin Cosme. Dire-diretso. Kevin Cosme, pasok. Pasok. Ayun na si Agbalo. Agbalo, pull up. Pasok by Agbalo. Alex na agaw. Moralida, uy, muntikan ni si partner si Adik. Alex, pasok. Ayun na si Alex. Alex, pasto Kevin Cosme, Domiscarte to Jorial. Pasok by Jorial. Ayun na, Alex, pasto Toings, Domiscarte, kuha. 5, 4, 6, 2. Ay, nagaw. Ayun na, kay Alex. Alex to Alex. Akala ko. Ayun na kay Kevin. Pasok by Kevin. Ayun na, Toings, pass to Blackie, pull up. Yes sir, 3 puntos para kay Blackie. Oy, kuha ni Donny. Ayun kay Jorial to Alex. Oy, may gulong. Okay, last throw. Pasok by Toings. Alex dribbling the ball. Ay, nabiyahe na Alex. Dumiskarte. Pasok by Alex. Pasok by Alex. Dalawa na lang. Ganda ng laban. Right by Don Lechon and all the sponsors out there. Ayun na, Agbalo. Pasok by Agbalo. Tie score po tayo. Ayun na, 24. Pass to Moralida. Pasok by Moralida. Agbalo. Pass to Alex. Agbalo to Blackie. Pull up. No good. Rebound by Toings. Uy, naagaw. Science naman yun. Ayun na, Padilla to Alex.
5 second difference. 5 seconds. 5 second difference. 8, 7, 6.
Ayun na kay Padilla, pull up. Pasok kay Padilla. Ayun na kay Agbalo. Agbalo to end of the game, end of 4th quarter. Ang score po natin ay 67 Magic, 63 Unicorn. Kamay. Oy, grabe yun. Kamay kayo.